later on. Now, just to introduce the next act, I've got some colleagues here from come down from London. The link to the local Tunbridge Wells Filipino Association. I'm just going to explain a little bit more about the performance. Make some noise for the local. I'm going to introduce you to my colleague Goya, and she's just going to explain a little bit more about the performance, which you're going to be seeing soon. And trust me, it is spectacular.
Well done.
Good afternoon, Mela!
Yay!
Tunbridge Wells Filipino Association brings you Lahing Kayumangi, which literally means brown race in English. We are a London-based dance company, and we dance cultural dance from the Philippines. And we've been ongoing for 15 years. We're celebrating our 15-year anniversary in November. So come and see us. We have a website, www.lkdance.org.uk. And you are going to see a showcase of dances starting with the mountain province. And then we're going down with some of the dances influenced by the Spaniards, and then the rural dance. Okay, so enjoy!
Thank you. Let's give a warm welcome to our dancers!
Oh gosh! Baka Oh, well done. Ganda na. Kasi dapat umalis doon. Harap siya sa mga hindi ko ma-picture.
Dito ka man sa
Hindi, naka-position ako dito eh.
Ganda sa picture eh, maliwanag. Ang matabang ito.
Matabahan. Uy, kaya, nakakaya. Wala ka. Wala hindi nakadikit yan. Salad master naman yun eh. Tanda. Kala na yung mga bata dito. Wow!
Go,
humble.
Excuse me! Naka, taliksik na. Alaka. May payong dito sa ano ko dali. Sa... May payong dito sa bag ko dali. Nako, wala.
Okay lang. Turuan tayo kung paano gumamit ng card.